Do you like animation? The animation industry has always been dominated by two countries, America and Japan and their renowned anime style. But imagine, what would Disney characters look like if they were drawn like Japanese anime characters? And what would Disney's real life action characters look like if they were turned into anime characters? Well, now we can find out using Ainize and the open source project UGATIT, which lets you turn people into anime characters. So let's get started. Hey everybody, thank you for tuning into this week's Weekly Ainize. This week's project is UGATIT, which is short for Unsupervised Generative Attentional Networks with Adaptive Layer Instance Normalization for Image-to-Image Translation. This paper here outlines a novel method for unsupervised image-to-image translation, which lets you take an image of a person and see what they would look like as they're translated into an anime character. As you can see here, the authors of this paper have given us two links to open source code for this project. However, if you want to go to these GitHub links, download the code and set it up yourself, that can take a very long time. Thankfully though, this project is already currently running on the service platform Ainize, which is where you can host your projects completely free of charge. If you want to run this project on Ainize, just like with any Ainize project, we click on this big purple button here. So this here is the API for the UGATIT project currently running on Ainize. As with any Ainize project, it's super easy to use. All we have to do is just click on try it out. Now, we're interested in translating images of people to anime characters. So click person to anime here. And now next thing we need is an image of somebody to upload. I was wondering, what would Disney characters look like if they were kind of presented in a Japanese anime way? Here we have a folder of just some famous actors that I downloaded earlier. This is Naomi Scott, who played Princess Jasmine in the Aladdin movie. And here we have, let's take this picture here of the actress who played Princess Jasmine and see how they might look like as an anime character. Wow, okay, so that worked really well. If you were ever wondering what Princess Jasmine would look like as an anime character, I think this would be a pretty good representation of it. Okay, so let's try one more. Let's try that actress who's playing Mulan in the upcoming Disney Mulan movie, live action movie Mulan, and see how they're going to look like as an anime character. Okay, cool. So that worked pretty well. And that's pretty much how I'd imagine Mulan would look like if she was an anime character. So if you have any other Disney character, pictures of actresses that play Disney characters, you want to try them yourself? Feel free to upload images of yourself or your friend and see what they look like as anime characters. So I hope you enjoyed this week's video. And to all you developers out there, if you have any cool open source code on GitHub, hosting your project on Ainize has absolutely no deployment fees. So I hope more developers take this opportunity to host their projects on Ainize and share their projects with the world. Thanks for watching this week's Weekly Ainize video. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next week.